Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be doing a quick bonus video for you because these arrived today and it's super exciting. I mean, who wouldn't be excited with these? Which is the Supermodel lipsticks and the lip liners, which are already released, but these go with the collection. So let me show you the first one. So the first one is Supermodel, aptly named. And here is the color. Let's have a look. That is a 90s shade. That's like Bobby Brown in the 90s. I'm going to swatch this on the, look at this color, on the back of my hand. So basically that is taupe. You know the shade taupe from MAC? That's pretty much it. Or Spice, very, very similar. This one is the pencil that goes with it. And this is Super Size Me, which is again, really, really similar to MAC Spice. So there's the two together. Pretty nice. Should we move on? So next we've got Super Sexy, which is this color here. Looks a bit red in the tube, doesn't it? And we've also got the Hot Gossip liner. So I'm going to do the liner first. Hot Gossip's a really, really good liner. It's quite nude. And let me pop this on the back of my hand. So there you go, that's the two. So quite red, I think, for a bit of the 90s style. My least favorite, but still very nice, but my least favorite. And last but not least is Super 90s. You know I'm a 90s boy. So I'm gonna pop this on the back of my hand first. This is so brown, it's really lovely. Again, think Bobby Brown back in the good days when she was still in control of things. Great color, and the lip liner that goes with this, I love lip liners, is Love Trap. So I'm going to draw that right next to it. Oh, that's a great color. And there is the two. So there you go. I mean, yes, you know, it's really nice, but you know, I don't like red at all. And I'm wearing peach, but I don't really like red. You know, I like a really, really dark crimson red, like almost purpley red, but I'm just not a fan of red. You know, red cheeks, yes. Red hair, yes. Red lips, it's not for me. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.